What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the June 23 Nomadik Box. So stay tuned through the intro. Welcome back. So like I said in the beginning, my name is Doug. I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do all kinds of videos, whether it relates to beards, to gear, to apparel, to EDC stuff, to subscription boxes. So I paid for a subscription to Nomadik when that subscription ended. Nomadik said, hey, you are doing videos on those. We'll send you some more. So keep doing some videos. So this is what this is. I didn't pay for this box. They sent it for me to unbox for you guys. So this is the June 23 Nomadik Box. Nomadik is a subscription service. You can pay for 1, 6, 12 months and get boxes like this every single month. They have an ironclad guarantee. What that means is if we open this box up and there's anything that's broken, damaged, already have one, all I've got to do is reach out to Nomadik and they'll replace that item at no cost to me. Their prices, it ranges. If you do 1 month, it's going to be about $33. If you stretch it out to a 12 month, it's going to drop it down to about $29 per box. So you get a little bit of a discount the further you go out. They also have quarterly boxes. I've opened a few of those on this channel. Go check those out. But they have quarterly boxes. There's 4 per year, and they relate to the season. So I think that's all the talking I'm going to do. We're going to get into this box. So what are we going to use today? And it is the Gerber Curve. Just did a video on this review, so let's get in here and get this blade. I love Nomadik. They say it's about a $50 value per box, and some boxes are better than others. I mean, it's just the nature of the beast. Some are better than others, but we'll see what's in this one. So there it is. Every box comes with a pamphlet and a theme. This one is on the go. So there's that. You have a cool picture on the front. And in that pamphlet, we have, looks like we have 4 items in this box. So it has a description of every one of those. We've got Nomadik tips that always relate to the theme. We've got a Nomadik challenge, which is good for 1 month. And then on the back, you've got brand discounts that usually relate to the brands that are in the box. So let's see what we have here. A vapor water bladder. Pretty cool. I love these little collapsible bladders. They're great for, in my opinion, for hiking, because when they're empty, they don't take up much space. You can roll them up, fold them up, slide them down in pockets. So they work really well. This one has a carabiner on it, and let's see, just a pop top there. We got that, and this should screw off. And that screws off. You got a little gasket in there. I think we've gotten one of these before in a box. I love mine. It is awesome. So now I have 2. So vapor, and I'm guessing this is going to be like 1 liter. Yep, 1 liter Vapor Elements 1 liter anti bottle. And I see the name brand. I know what these are. Nectar sunglasses. So I've gotten a pair before. Let's see which ones these are. All right, coming in a nice little bag. It says Nectar on the side, drawstring, Salt of the East, and eco-friendly lens protector. Let's get this off. Get off. There. Chucktown polarized Nectar. I have a pair of Chucktown Nectars that have come in an old box. Look a little bit different though. They've changed something up with these, but I really like these. They're awesome glasses. And so yeah, polarized lenses, and you can see me, I can see you, but really cool. They fit really well, and they come with this drawstring bag that you can use to clean them off. We have our sticker, a little bit smaller sticker than normal. We have, oh, these are always good to get. Hydrate water packets. Those are really good. This one is lemon lime. And last, we have a pair of chums to put on our Chuck Towns. Let's see. I may have to wet these, so yeah, we're not putting them on. We'll put them on inside. But we've got sunglasses. We've got our chums to keep our sunglasses around our neck. We've got hydration, and we've got a water bladder to put it all in. So, theme of this month is on the go. Let me know in the comments, do you think this box is worth roughly the $50? I'll try to get prices. I have looked up those nectars before, so I'll try to do, I may have done a video on them. I'll have to look up prices, and I'll drop that in the description below so you can go check out any of the individual items that you'd like. But yeah, that's it. That's the June box for 2023. Go check out Nomadik. There'll be a link to Nomadik in the description below. You will not be disappointed. Go check them out. And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.